So moving forward, let's take up the next question from this paper. If the surface area of a cube is increasing at a rate of 3.6 centimeter square per second, retaining its shape, the rate of change of its volume when the length of a side of the cube is 10 centimeter is. Simple one from AOD. Let's try. Surface area, let's say it is given by A, is equal to 6A square. Correct? So dA by dt is equal to 12A into dA by dt. Correct? D capital A by dt is given to me 3.6. So let's say this is 3.6. From here we can say A dA by dt is equal to 3.6 upon 12, right? So this gives you simply 0.3. I'm sure this is clear. Next, volume. Volume of cube is given by a cube. Differentiating, dV by dt is equal to 3a square into dA by dt. Correct? Now, when a is 10, we have to find this term. We can put here dA by dt as 0.3 upon a. Right? One a is cancelled. Therefore, dV by dt at a is equal to 10 equals 3 into 10 into 0.3, that is 9 centimeter cube per second. So I'm sure this question is clear. Now we need to check from the given options. 9 centimeter cube per second, it is given here as option number 1. So this is our correct answer. I'm sure this part is clear. Let's take up the next one. Limit x approaching to a plus 2x whole to the power 1 by 3 minus 3x whole to the power 1 by 3 upon some expression in denominator as well. Now two possibilities. One, we can multiply divide both by some rationalization factor. And what that factor would be? It would be on the ground of x cube minus y cube. If we say x minus y is there, we need to multiply and divide by x square plus xy plus y square to this one as well as this one. Some problematic factor which is making x minus a 0 would be cancelled and we can put the limit to get the result. Or we can apply L'Hopital. Let's go with the second approach here. When you say this is 0 by 0 on applying limit x approaching to a, you can apply L'Hopital which says 1 by 3 a plus 2x raised to the power 2 by 3 into 2 minus 1 by 3 into 3x raised to the power 2 by 3 into 3 divided by, this is the entire thing under the limit x approaching to a, right? Now what is the denominator there? Denominator is after derivative 1 upon 3 3a plus x raised to the power 2 by 3, just 1 multiplied so no need to write, minus 1 upon 3 4x raised to the power 2 by 3 into 4. Now when you try to apply limit, how is it changing? When x is approaching to a, this is 2 by 3, let's write down 3a raised to the power 2 by 3 minus 3 by 3, although we can cancel but we can continue with the same so that we can see the denominator is same and it is easy to take LCM, divided by, in denominator you have 1 by 3 into 4a raised to the power 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 into 4a raised to the power 2 by 3. So we are very close to the answer now. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 3, that is simply minus of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Also in denominator you have 3a raised to the power 2 by 3. Correct? Now in denominator 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3, that means minus of 3 by 3, and now in numerator you have 4a raised to the power 2 by 3. It comes from denominator part. Now we can see that some terms are cancelled, like negative sign is cancelled, 1, 3 is also cancelled. A is also cancelled. What we are left with? 4 by 3 whole to the power 2 by 3. 1 by 3 multiplied with 16 by 9 raised to the power 1 by 3, or 2 by 3 multiplied with 2 by 9 raised to the power 1 by 3. Correct? Now we need to check from the given options. 2 by 3 multiplied with 2 by 9 raised to the power 1 by 3. 2 by 3 multiplied with 2 by 9 raised to the power 1 by 3. It is given here as option number 2. So that's the required result. So let's mark and mention. I'm sure this part is clear. Let's move on to the next question of this paper. If x cube dy plus xy dx is equal to x squared dy plus 2y dx, one differential equation is given. Initial value condition like y2 is e, x is greater than 1, we have to find y4. Let's try. We can rewrite it as x cube minus x squared dy is equal to 2y minus xy dx, so that we can see it is clearly variable separable. This implies that dy upon y is equal to 2 minus x upon x square into x minus 1 dx. We need to go for partial fraction for simplification of it. So let's take it separately. 2 minus x upon x square into x minus 1 is a upon x, b by x square, c by x minus 1, or 2 minus x is a x x minus 1, b x minus 1, c x square. Correct? Now, when you see in this equation on substituting x is equal to 0, what's the result? These two are cancelled. We get the value for b directly as minus 2. When you say x is 1, you observe these two are 0. The value of c is directly obtained from here as 1. Now, when you compare the coefficients for x square, you can see that 0 is equal to, what I am doing, comparing coefficients for x square. 0 is equal to a plus c, giving you a is equal to minus 1. This is clear. So now we can write, let's say this is equation 1, integrating 1, we get log y is equal to, this term is a by x plus b by x square plus c by x minus 1, where a is minus 1, b is minus 2, and c is 1. So yes, we can write direct integration over here, minus log x plus 2 by x, because b is minus 2 and c is 1, so this is plus log x minus 1 plus say c. Now what is given as the condition to me? It is given that y2 is equal to e. When you put x is equal to 2, y is e. Let's check out. Since y2 is e, therefore on substituting here y as e, we have 1 is equal to minus log 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus c. So we obtain the value for c as log 2. This is clear. Now substitute it back. Therefore function or curve we are getting as this one, right here, plus log 2 as well. Now what is required? Question says find y4, that is substitute x is equal to 4. Put x is equal to 4. We observe this is log y is equal to minus log 4 plus 1 by 2 plus log 3 plus log 2. Now we can see every term as log. Half can be multiplied with log e, so we can rewrite it as log 3 into 2 upon 4 into root e. So from here we can see that the value for y, it is equal to 3 by 2 root e. Now time to check from the given options. 3 by 2 root e. Yes, it is given here as option number 4. So the correct answer for this question is fourth option. So let's mark and mention as the required result. I'm sure this is also clear. Time to take up the next question.